Once the device is booted, select Settings at the bottom left of the touchscreen and the R90 login screen will appear. By default, the login data is admin for both username and password. It's possible to change the name and password. Selecting the View button shortly displays the entered password. If the R90 is inactive for more than 15 minutes, a new login is required. Before getting started with a new project, it is recommended to run a factory reset. To execute a factory reset, navigate to the home screen. In the menu bar of the home screen, select and hold the clock for 5 seconds. The time date screen appears. Select and hold the empty button on the left next to the clock for another 5 seconds. The factory reset screen appears. Select Reset to reset user settings and project configurations. Note: after the automatic restart, the default login data is valid. To set the system time and date, navigate to the home screen and proceed as followed. On the home screen, press and hold the clock icon for 5 seconds. The time date screen appears. Set time and date accordingly, and select Apply to save the settings.